Hi, Siraj Dawar here. Hope you're fine and doing well. If you love this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Let's start. I'm going to expose you distinct strategies to make over $20,000 consistent with month without recording any films in your YouTube channel. So this technique is truly, without a doubt, desirable, so ensure to look at this video. It'll give up, and I'm additionally going to show men examples of this technique to YouTube channels that really use this approach to make a number of cash on YouTube. Earlier than we soar directly into this technique, make positive to press the subscribe button due to the fact we launch day-by-day videos in this channel, the way to make cash online, so you do not want to miss that out. So let's soar directly into this technique. So first tool that we are going to use to create movies without recording yourself, without recording whatever is very video. Just pass and type on Google Wave Video, and you could see you may sign up clearly without spending a dime. That's truly incredible. So here you can see you may get access over 200 million video clips, so that is truly extremely good, and I'm going to display you guys exactly how you can do it. So permits, I've already signed up, so I am going to expose you men how you could do it. So to begin with, we will click on templates, so you can see there are plenty of videos, professional films, which you can use to create your very own video. So I am going to create a video, shall we say, for example, for this approach I do not know why what I'm going to do it. So for example, I am going to create a video on the way to make cash on YouTube. So I'm going to create, I do not want to create Square, I do not need to create an Instagram video, I am going to create a YouTube video. So we are going to be use virtually this video on our video, so he can see how professional it appears, and I am going to expose you guys precisely how you could do it without any effort. So we are going to click on edit templates, and we are going to watch for some seconds simply to open this video. So we're, for example, going to mention, so we are showing you men how you could make cash on YouTube without recording or without recording any video. So let's examine a way to get out recording video. We're going to mention here as an example, we can position right here. The first step, we use the video editor step to create video. Step 3, add video, and step 4, we are able to position step 4, but they do not simply provide a step 4. So you do not want to waste any time to do it. So let's consider right here step 4, monetize your video. So you can see we are going to play this video simply to show you guys you can additionally report your voice, so that you can do a voiceover for this video, or in case you do not even want to do that, we will place some truth-free track from YouTube so that you can nevertheless monetize your motion pictures. So I think that is without a doubt a wonderful way to do it. You can see permits play the whole video from the start to see how wonderful it appears, so you can see how you could create easy videos you may create. Shall we embrace 10 of these motion pictures for approximately 19 seconds, so that you can create, shall we say, a 3-minute video, and it is absolutely smooth to do it, as an always truly toll-free. It's far simply nearly for a 4-minute video, in case you use 10 of those for 19 seconds, so you can see how effortlessly it could be performed. It is simply easy to create a video without recording yourself, without something which you do not want to accomplish. That subsequent method that I'm going to show you men is in reality my preferred one. So we are going to use this whiteboard software to create lively movies. So I'm going to reveal you guys how you may additionally do it, and after that I am going to also show you guys an examples of those channels. So we are going to create simply a quad. Take some time so you can find a heaps and heaps of animated pics that you may clearly use. So I am going to reveal you guys how without problems this could be accomplished with none efforts, due to the fact quite a few men are going to say, maybe I did not know how to create lively motion pictures with this video. With this software program, you actually don't excuse for that, so just an instance, let's do international just to expose you men. And instance allows put right here on the world. Permits placed right here. Shall we embrace permits placed anymore, for example? And you may simply again use a voiceover for this type of motion pictures because it doesn't definitely you can placed a whole lot of information on this channel. We down and I'm also going to show you guys without a doubt the video that use this software to get millions of views. I am honestly going to also show you men that so we are able to position again. Let's consider this business manual to expose you men really how without difficulty can be finished in the way without problems. You could create a tale right here, so we can place that ebook right here. So I really this video would not without a doubt have any feel, however I desired to show you men in reality how it works. So allows play this video, so it's far certainly developing animation for you guys. You do not need to do something, it's far clearly easy to apply and it is truly searching extraordinary. You can see we've got created maybe 1 or 2 minute video without recording anything, and if you experience additionally looking the way how you may get with YouTube motion pictures without recording something, you can watch this channel. Both honestly do not report myself, I surely don't file whatever, I simply to document my display. I shared the facts on this channel, and that is why human beings love to look at my YouTube channel, and that is simply why you need to subscribe if you have not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, because I am going to reveal you guys a lot of strategies I can make for your mind. So this software program is looking surely precise. You may see we are growing an animated video with none efforts, so we don't want to waste any time. So let's consider this just to reveal you men how it looks like, so we don't need, because it's far taking too lengthy. It isn't always perhaps over 1 minute video. It is simply long, so we don't need to waste any time on that. So this is actually men the manner that you could create. These are 2 ways that you could create YouTube movies without recording any videos, and right here are examples that definitely use this approach. So the primary technique that I've shown you men is this YouTube channel. It is known as Top 10. So here you could see they have almost 3 million subscribers, and you could go on their YouTube channels and you could find out today that they without a doubt do not document any videos. They just put a few pics inside the softwares like this one that I have proven you guys, and that they cease. Let's go back minute video and they get paid for that. That is surely easy to do. In the subsequent YouTube channel animated YouTube films that they tweet is that this channel, and it is sincerely latest channel. It in reality blowed up quickly, perhaps mantled too in the past. So essentially those men developing animated video, the appearance may be higher than the animated movies on our channel. But in case you discover some area of interest which you need to proportion information, we really don't want to create these figures to move. You can just put in statistics proper there without recording animation, so to expose you guys how odd those guys are. Incomes, let's observe the Social Blade account. So this guy is income someplace around maybe $20,000-$30,000 in step with month, and he is getting around 10 million 30 days, which is genuinely sincerely good. So you can see, as I stated, he blowed up maybe a month or in the past, so 2 months ago. He's absolutely going to, he's definitely getting a variety of views, and he goes to get even larger in the future. And this YouTube channel that I show you guys is Pinnacle 10 YouTube channel. I'm also going to show you guys how lot is this man earning. So let's examine. He's making even extra than that. He's making almost $50,000 in keeping with month, which is certainly loopy. Here you may see he is getting a lot of pills, and he's continuously making quite a few cash. You can see he's getting 50 million views. He's simply a bit in a drop. He is making right here over 100,000 greenbacks consistent with month with 50 million perspectives. But you may see from time to time you get more perspectives. Every now and then you get much less perspectives. So the complete point of this method to make cash without recording any movies is to offer statistics. So if you offer lots of statistics in your YouTube motion pictures, you will get a whole lot of views, and I'm truly going to reveal you men just etwad the approach that I can display you ultimate that got loads of views just a little bit. So here you can see this guy is virtually using the identical software program to create those cannibals. I do not need to play because of the copyright issues, but you may see he got nearly 2 million views in a single video. So that is something telling us. You can see genuinely he has 1 million perspectives. So this is exactly the appropriate manner to make cash online. And right here, you may see in this advocated bar, certainly this man is likewise the usage of the equal method to make cash online on his YouTube channel without recording any films. So again, that would be it for modern day video. In case you want to examine once more new approaches to make cash online, make